All right, so today's warm-up problem is going to be basically there's a data set where it's the number of baskets made by one player at a free throw shooting contest. So you'll see we've got, they did 9 rounds. The second line here is the number of baskets that they made, and then these are the number of shots that they attempted. So first round they made 8 out of 15. Second round 12 out of 15. Third round, 6 out of 15. Fourth round, 5 out of 15. Fifth round, 9 out of 15. Then 14 out of 15, 13 out of 15, 14 out of 15, and then 9 out of 15. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find the mean, our median, and our mode for this data, and also the range. Okay, so I want you guys to find the mean, median, mode, and range. All right. When doing this, remember to put the data in order. So this will be the data that we're going to use right here. And what I'm going to do is just to help you guys out, I will put the data in order for you. So just so we'll run through at that point on how to figure it out. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first number. I'm going to say 5 is my first number, so I'll put it here. And whenever I do that, I just want to keep track that I use that one. Next one's going to be 6. I want to keep track of that. Looks like we're at 8. So I'm going to use 8 this time. We've got a 9 and a 9. So I'm going to go with my 2 9s there. Next is going to be a 12. 13. And last, we've got 2 14s. All right. Just to verify, I should have 9 numbers because I had 9 rounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to stop or pause the video here, and I'm going to have you guys just check to see if you got the mean, median, and mode. I want you to try it on your own, and then we'll come back and we'll finish it off. All right, so you're back. You tried your mean, median, and mode and range. So when we're doing our mean, we need to take a sum of these numbers. So if I add all these numbers up in the calculator, so let's see if I did 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14. If I do that, I get my sum is 90. All right. So for my mean, it's my sum, and I'm just going to put a line underneath it just to show where we're doing division. Sum divided by number of rounds in this case, right? So the total number of rounds that I did. So my sum over my number of rounds. So my sum was 90, right? And my number of rounds was 9. And I'm just going to push this out a little bit. So if I do sum over number of rounds, it's a total of 90, right? When I added all that together, I got 90 divided by 9. 90 divided by 9 gives me 10. All right, so my mean is 10. I'm just going to put that over here. My mean equaled 10. Okay. Now next, I want to find my median. Remember, my median is the middle number. Okay. Whoop. Just thinking, thought I was trying to do a formula. All right, median's the middle number. So basically, if I have 9 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I've got 4 on that side. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So 9, that 9 in particular is going to be my middle number. Okay? So median equals 9. My mode is the number that occurs the most. So here I've got 9. I've got 2 9s, right? So I've got 2 9s and I've got 2 14s. So for this particular data set, I actually have 2 modes. I have 9 and 14. And then last is going to be my range. So my range is equal to my largest value minus my smallest value. All right. So when we do that, we get 14 minus 5. When I do that, I get 14 minus 5 gives me 9. So my range is equal to 9. Okay. So that was today's warm-up problem. We're going to move on to another lesson doing interquartile range and just getting more practice with mean, median, mode, and range. All right. Thanks. Have a good day.